Saan tayo? Ay, blown out! Lunch! Andito ka pala dun! May luto ka pala dito! I'm waiting for my mates here. They're trying to buy foods from the fresh pantry. Not pantry. I'm waiting for them. And yeah, we're going to have lunch somewhere. Yes, we're having lunch there. That part there. We're waiting for Boss John to get out. Yeah.
Main lunch. Compare mo.
My lunch, his lunch. You're on a diet, bro. Boss John, what did you buy?
Yung pinakamahal dun.
Are you both on a diet?
I don't know.
Oh,
Maybe.
are you okay, John?
Si Dawei. Si Dawei ba yan?
Hindi ko alam.
DSLR ba?
I haven't seen the plate numbers, but that could be that way. Korean lunch today with a view. Yep, with a view. Spicy Korean. Apparently there was this lady playing a harp on the train, and at first I thought it was cool. Later I found out her music was not that. It was just a bunch of notes. It might sound good, but not that impressive. Anyway, I'm heading to Laura's office now, and dropped it. Okay, apparently I was shooting on standard mode, and yeah, I should be shooting on PP2. Anyway, yeah, I'm just getting here, hit a freeway, vlogging, and I'm heading towards Laura's office, and I want to get a Macus, what you call this, Macus, ooh, there you go. Ah! Gotta pick up the board. I'm gonna get the Macus, coffee frap now because I'm a bit sleepy and I'll be editing tonight. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Just rigging the board. So, can't be bothered. Okay, let's go back to mic tracks. Okay, back in the saddle. So yeah, today's a Thursday and it's still a long way till the weekend. I've been shooting weddings Saturday and Sunday for 2 weeks already, and I'm exhausted. Not to mention backlogs and the things that I need to finish. But it's gonna be good. Yeah, it's gonna be good. Also, it's getting cold lately. Autumn and winter is just around the corner. So yeah, it's getting stressful. Still May though. But yeah, it's getting cold and it's getting stressful to get up in the morning and take a bath, go to work. But that's life. Especially I'm on a board right now. I'm getting better with this board now. I'm not looking at the street, I'm just cruising around. Before I used to check on the ground because there are lots of bumps, and I usually fall off the bump. Yeah, it's hard. Now I can just log in. Just go ahead with it. Okay, I'm gonna go to Macus, so I'll head this way. Coffee frap now because I can't skate holding coffee frap and vlogging, but I want to drink coffee frap. Oh well, I'm gonna stop vlogging, just get a coffee frap and skate all the way there. Where's the entrance? Here it is. So, welcome to McDonald's. I ended up pushing the board manually so that I could goes with this, but it's just too slow. And I think it just malfunctioned because I was trying to use the remote and it suddenly was making the crazy sound of the board. Anyway, I'm just near my destination. Oh, it's nice. I'm not kicking it. It's going faster. It's downhill. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna die. I don't have brakes now. There you go. Shit. I don't have brakes, and now I'm drinking coffee frap. Oh well, just gotta keep this. Okay, I got minor issues with the board. I don't know what happened to it, but it's like kind of stuck, and when I ride it, it just goes zooming in like hell, and it's just out of control. Hope it's not broken, because it's the only one I have. No more fun board. Anyway, just arrived here in the parking lot waiting for Laura. What time is it? 6:30. I still have hours to wait. Might as well edit. Yeah, and frap. Do I need to take a haircut now? My hair looks like shit. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna go with editing. Yeah. So we're near home. And Laura's so sleepy. Whoop.
Yeah, kita on yan.
Yeah, we're near home now.
And that's bawal.
What's bawal? So I just got home and my board has not been running well since yesterday. Fully charged. It's not moving. But if you touch it, it runs. Break it, then you push the power button, the accelerate button, doesn't do anything. But if you touch the motor, brake, forward, touch the motor. Fucking hell, you need to push it a bit just to let the motor run. Hope we can fix this in time. But if it's there's a problem with that. It's a bit noisy too. Gotta fix this. Okay, the car's home and I'm heading to Bunnings because I'm gonna try to fucking listen to right. I'm gonna fucking fix my skateboard. So it's around 7 p.m. and I'm heading to Bunnings, turning off the lights now. Huh, that's dark. Oh, it's really getting cold these days. So these days. It's getting late. I hope Bunnings is still open now. Because, yeah, if it's closed, then I won't be able to do anything with the board and I'll be walking. No more skateboard for the meantime. Okay, it's a go signal. Come on, let's go, guys. Let's go. Okay, focus, camera, focus. I'm buying kebab now for dinner because, I'm lazy to eat. So, I'm just gonna get charcoal chicken. Again, I'm just gonna get charcoal chicken for dinner, and my hands really smoky. There you go. This works. Okay, I tried to find what the? Okay, I tried to find solutions online to fix this board. And you can see it's still open up here. Camera focus. That's it. So the motor still kicks in. I think the motor needs opening. I don't have all the tools and I'm not really good with motors. So look for solutions online. I tried to check for any cures, any spare parts of anything. What I found out is